Inside this box is a Fujifilm movie camera that was released in 1965, and it's never been opened until now. Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. Today we are unboxing the Single 8, an 8mm film camera released by Fujifilm in 1965. Now, while this camera used the same popular Super 8mm film format in terms of the sprocket holes and the projection capability, these were actually proprietary cartridges for this camera. They weren't Super 8, they were called instead Single 8. Now, before I show the unboxing to you, I do want to let you know that it was originally part of a live stream that I recently did for my Backstage and YouTube channel members and supporters. And so the editing and the overall flow of what you're about to watch, it's going to be a bit different than what you're used to seeing on this channel. And keep in mind that this is an unboxing, not a full-blown review of the camera. I have something to show you. This was a gift to me from my wife for Valentine's Day. It's called a Single 8. You see that? Look at who makes it. Can you see that right there? Take a look at this. It is 18 frames a second. The minimum most people ever shoot with for video is 24 frames a second, pretty much. That's kind of what you see in movie theaters. 25 frames a second in Europe, 30 frames a second online and YouTube, and so on and so forth. This is 18 from Fujifilm, Single 8. Now, I'm going to open it up. You see that right in the styrofoam. Have a look at these. You can see the acid that leaked out of it. It basically comes with 4 AA batteries from a long time ago. There's another battery, a TH2MC battery. We'll get to the camera in just a sec. Let's see what else is in here. A strap. Check it out. Huh. Okay. This has never been opened. This is brand new. It's very, very firm. It's not like a thin strap that you'd have today. Looks like it came with a bag. Interestingly, though, this bag is not very big. You see that? That's it. Check this out, though. The original instructions. Look at that. I mean, this is literally the first I'm opening. This has never been opened before. How cool is that? You are seeing this for the first time. So look at, there's a cartridge. There's like this inspection certificate. Okay, so somebody in 1965 inspected this. Hobayashi. They have a card showing how to attach the wrist strap. What's this? Wait a minute, there's something else. It's just like a guarantee. So, color movies now easy as snapshots. And then there we have, obviously, instructions for this. Okay. And so, yeah, it just goes through it. You gotta, and that's through the viewfinder, how to shoot movies. Keep the sun behind you. There you go. That's always good advice. This is really funny. Check this out. You got to see this. The more movement in the scene, the greater the interest, and the longer you can hold the shot. Long shots are dull. Try to keep your shots of each scene between 3 and 10 seconds. My, how times have changed. It has like a rubber cover. Comes right off. All right. Here you've got your viewfinder window, automatic electric eye window. The lens is f1.8, and this is a shutter release button. Right here is an automatic footage counter, and this is a film cartridge window. And there's where you put the film in, right? You open this up. But check out how new this is, folks. Look at this. It's brand new. I don't think it's ever been used to film anything. And something in here. Battery. Okay, so the weird battery would go here. I am not putting these, I'm not even opening this thing. This needs to go in the waste pile near Chernobyl. I mean, this thing looks really scary. So we got some AA's right here. And this goes in here. Okay, there we go. Got it. Check this out. That sound, that Super 8. Listen. All we need to do now is put film in it. The seller had available the original film for the camera. If you look carefully, you'll see something pretty funny. Look at the expiration date of this Fujifilm. 1973. This expired around the time I think Dark Side of the Moon came out. All right. So this is what it looks like, though. So obviously, this is not going to work. They don't make these anymore. But what I need to do is I need to get one of those darkroom develop bags. You know what I'm talking about? You put your hands in a light-proof bag, which is easier than making a whole room that way. And then I buy some Super 8 film, and then I load the Super 8 film on this cartridge. Follow me? In other words, use this cartridge, but with different film that I get now, and then load it in a no light at all environment, and then put it in the camera. And interestingly, it also came with these other things. One of them is color movie film called Double 8. Look at this right here. ASA 25. ASA, think of that as ISO. It's 25, meaning you need to take this outside in the bright sunlight and burn the back of your neck and have the sun hit your subject. No sound. You need to shoot this thing in bright light, ISO 25, okay? And buy film that is of today. I'm never going to be able to top this gift. I don't think she's watching right now, but maybe she'll see this. I love you. Thank you. This is so awesome. Such an awesome gift. If your significant other gets you a gift like this, you've chosen wisely. You've chosen wisely. Okay. Oh, and also, if you have not yet checked out Backstage yet, go to paltotech.com/backstage. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful, or at least entertaining. And if you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. I'm going to be signing off now, but have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in a new video next week. Take care.